Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's do your reading for the month of October 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Gemini. And before I do the tarot reading, this time I'm gonna do the astrological reading. I'm just gonna keep it simple. For the October 1st and October 15th, I'm gonna look at it. So on the October 1st, we have Rahu in the 2nd, meaning Ketu in the 6th house. We have Moon in the 2nd house, Sun and Mars conjunction in the 4th house, Venus and Mercury conjunction with Mercury retrograde in the 4th house, Sun, Jupiter, Saturn conjunction in the 8th house, and that's it. So initially from the October 1st, you can see even though you don't communicate much at your home, there is a lot of action going on at your home. Okay, it is requiring you to work at your home. Okay, if you're working, then you know most probably that you need to work at your home, okay, this month, and possibly you're already doing that since few months. And if not that, if you're not working at home, then this is going to be even more difficult for the people who are working at home. This can nullify because you're satisfying the Mars energy. If you're not working at home, then there is a lot of responsibility and burden at your home that you need to take upon. You need to take up the burden of the responsibilities at your home, okay, is what I'm seeing. A lot of your mind is focusing on your finances, okay, your bank account, okay. On the 15th, Moon will actually traverse 7 places apart and comes to your, from 2nd house, it will come to your 8th house, okay. So your mind will actually, your concentration will actually go to somewhere that is, your concentration will be something in your life that is ended already, okay, some kind of ending. Which has happened in the past, or it's going to happen in the future, whatever, but your concentration will be focused on something that has ended, okay. So is what I'm seeing. And Mercury going into 4th house, you need to communicate a lot at your home or related to regarding your comforts, okay. You need to communicate a lot at your home this month, from 15th onwards. And Venus going back to the 6th house along with Ketu, I'm seeing a lot of confusion with regards to your comforts. Maybe you're not able to communicate with people what you're comfortable with, okay. Or you're finding difficulty explaining people what you're comfortable and what you want. And this is something that I'm seeing. But whatever happens, I feel not every people, most of the people won't understand what you're communicating with regards to your comforts, but there'll be few set of people, like very few, maybe one person along with 10 people, there'll be one person who will be able to understand. I think you need to figure out who is that person, okay, who can understand what you're feeling, and maybe this person will definitely help you. And the more you spend time with them in clarifying what you're comfortable at and what what stability you want in your life, this person can help you, is what I'm saying. So let's look into the tarot reading. See, we already got 2 cards. I'm just gonna utilize these 2 cards for sure. Victory coming in the center, Knight of Wands side by side. Science, So we got 6 and 6. We got 5 Hierophant, 4 Luxury, again a court card, Knight of Discs, 1 Magus, 3 Abundance, 9 Happiness, the Chariot Major Arcana, Tower Major Arcana, Love, 2 of Cups, court card, Knight of Cups, 10 of Cups at 80, and the Aeon Major Arcana. A lot of major arcanas, and these major arcanas in a very significant place. First of all, like 3 major arcanas in the Karma, and Hierophant coming here, very significant, with Abundance and Love, very significant, and we got Chariot here. Yeah, very significant messages, and these major arcanas are in a very significant position. So this is definitely a significant reading for you, a significant month. So it may look like this month may look like it's not important, but it's very, very important for you. So yeah, let's get into your reading. Alright, Gemini, let's get into your reading. So in this situation, we have Knight of Wands, court card, Victory, 6 of Wands, and 6 of Swords, which is Science. So this month you are gonna get a lot of appreciation, okay, for whatever work you did in the previous months, the hard work you have put into in your career, in your field in the previous months. You're gonna get recognition this month. No matter what, you're gonna get recognition in some part of your in your career, in whatever you did, whatever you worked hard this month. No matter what, you're gonna get that recognition. People will appreciate you. You're gonna get the victory. Maybe you worked hard in the previous months. This is the month you're waiting to get the results, and you're gonna get good results. You're gonna get good appreciation, lot more opportunities to get to increase your knowledge and understanding, is what I'm seeing, okay, in this situation. In the current path, we have the Hierophant Major Arcana, Abundance, Love. So it is telling that after you get this news that you have achieved the victory, you want to go back to the people who helped you achieve that, maybe teachers or mentors or someone who has given you advice, the key towards the victory. You want to go to them, celebrate with them, and share whatever you received with them, okay. And this is quite materialistic, is what I'm seeing. Maybe it could be asking for them to come to a party and maybe have a dine with them, but again, that is materialistic. That is the current path. You're sharing your wealth either in the form of food or whatever, from the money you gain, with the people who have given you advices, okay. This is what you're doing. In the alternate path, what saying is that definitely it is good to give, but don't give them material things. Give them happiness. Give them some kind of happiness, okay. Just by telling that you have won brings them a lot of happiness, and this is just enough. But if you want to give more, then definitely you can give more, but give them in the form of happiness, just happiness, not necessarily materialistic happiness, but try to find a way that is not materialistic, but definitely that can give happiness. Try to find that, and they'll be much more happy than whatever you're trying to do right now. So that is what universe is telling, okay. Whatever you're doing, you are doing it with a good heart, with a good intention, but universe is telling that more than the materialistic things, sharing materialistic things, just by sharing the happiness with them, maybe spending time with them, spending more time with them, can be much more comfortable for them, much more enjoyable for them. It'll be like uh, they'll feel very happy. Okay, that is something that I'm seeing here, something that they'll be more happy of if you do that. And yeah, just be aware what you're seeing, because universe is telling, try to find out something that is not materialistic but make them happy. But you have to think twice or thrice what you're going to say, okay, because that is very important, and that is like the essence of what you tell, right? So it's going to be it has to be very 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 good. And so you can take your time also. You don't have to communicate very quickly. You can take your time and do it. There's no issue. So but do it very nicely. That's what universe is telling. In the psychological basis, we have Satiety, the Chariot, and Knight of Discs. So a lot of emphasis on traveling. You have to travel this month, but you have to focus on and this travel will happen after you achieve after you receive the good news. There'll be travel after you receive the good news. So the good news is the initial thing which has to happen. That is the first thing that has to happen, receiving the good news. After you get the good news, like, you have to just communicate without traveling, and then there is a travel. Either it be maybe because of again communication through travel. So there is communication without travel. Again, there is a communication with travel. And with communication with travel, again, you need to take it slowly. You have to do it very very slowly with the Knight of Discs. You need to figure out what is the best time to travel, how you want to travel, and what you're carrying while you're traveling. I mean, what you're going to communicate. So take your time, decide what you're going to communicate before traveling. That is what is happening in the psychological basis. Okay. Also, you don't have to say each and everything that has happened to you, or share each and everything that you received for everyone, because once you have to be concerned on what you are going to share and whom you are going to share also. This might be little difficult right now, and that is the reason why universe is telling you take your time. And this is also a major thing that you have to do, communicate. And maybe that is the reason why you have to just share your happiness, not necessarily material happiness. Okay, maybe there'll be people who will be dissatisfied that you didn't share your resources with other people, that who are also part of that, because I can see there are a lot of people who have collaborated with you to achieve the victory, and there'll be other people who have been left out that you may not be aware that that will come to your light later. Okay, so that's what I'm telling. So take things slow, and if you're wanting to share, you have to just share the happiness, not materialistic happiness, something that is from your heart. That's it. Let's look into karma. We got the Magus Major Arcana, Tower Major Arcana, the Aeon Major Arcana. 3 major arcanas, very significant month. That is why I'm telling you. This month may seem like it is not that significant, but it is very significant. Try to communicate with everyone that you can, who have collaborated with you to achieve the victory, but you don't have to share everything that you got. Okay, materialistically, you don't have to do that. You can just keep it with yourself and just share the share the happiness with them. Have the conversation. With the Maker's card, it is better you enjoy yourself with whatever you received. If something is given to you in your hands, it's better you keep it to yourself. You don't have to share. You just enjoy what you got. With the Tower card, make sure you try to use it very wisely. If you're trying to spend money, if you achieved some kind of wealth, and if you're trying to spend money, do it very carefully. Is what I'm saying. With the Tower card, especially, it's better you, of course, you feel like you're spending on something that you like, but after getting that, you may not like it. So you have to take your time in order to enjoy also. Do it slowly, take your time, enjoying also. And then, you will actually be more confident this time with regards to anything in life, doing anything in life, which something that you felt afraid of doing, something that you have thought that there is high chances of losing, or you're quite afraid of trying out. But this time, after achieving the victory, your confidence level will increase, and you'll have a lot of belief in yourself that you can do things like this. Something that appears to be difficult, but right now, after achieving this victory, you will have the belief that you can do difficult things. It may not be difficult, but in your perception, initially it might be something that it is hard to balance and hard to perform, etc. But you're going to get the confidence after achieving this victory, and a lot of growth, lot of personal improvement is there from this. Whatever you're achieving, a lot of personal improvement and a lot of personal happiness is going to come. So yeah, a lot of happiness, and the way you share happiness is very important this month. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one, Gemini. Also, check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs, especially fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If you have any planets in that zodiac sign, check out that. And even Jupiter sign is very, very important, because you got Hierophant card in the current path and it's retrograde right now. It's very important to check out Jupiter sign. But before checking out Jupiter, check out your fire signs, because Jupiter is retrograde. It may not resonate to you. So check out your fire signs and then go to Jupiter. That's all I have for you, Gemini. If you like it, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed and click on the bell icon to get notified. Also, if you want to get a personal reading from me, you can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings. All the price ranges, including my social media links, is mentioned respectively. You can find my social media links in the description box as well. And follow me on social media. My Facebook, Instagram links are available. I'll be posting a lot of intellectual and educational stuffs there. And if you can join my channel, next to the subscribe button, you can see the join button. If you click on that, you'll find the membership perks that is offered to you. You can go through that and select respectively which you feel comfortable at. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching. Thank you.